What is happening, Booth Junkies? Mike Delgadio here, back with another video on home studio setup for VoiceOver. 1 second. Everything looks okay. I just finished a great interview on VOBS TV. I'd like to send a very special thank you to George Whittam and to Dan Leonard for inviting me onto VOBS TV. VOBS TV is VoiceOver Body Shop. So if you don't know VoiceOver Body Shop, if you're looking to improve your... I touched it. If you're looking to improve your craft, if you're looking to get better at VoiceOver, if you're looking to improve your studio, you're looking for resources related to VoiceOver, then you must get to know VOBS TV, George Whittam, Dan Leonard. They have a YouTube channel, and every Monday night they do a live interview with someone in the voice industry. And they are a wealth of information about VoiceOver. Tech, studio setup, marketing yourself, getting your name out there. If it has to do with VoiceOver, these guys know it, or know somebody that knows it, or going to have a guest on that's going to give you tips and tricks. And I had the honor and privilege of being invited onto their channel, so I was on last night. But you didn't miss anything because it's going to be available over on the VOBS TV YouTube channel, which I will link to in the description. So if you're unfamiliar with them, please go over and subscribe to their channel. And I think you're going to find it is extremely valuable. They're really friendly guys. I've hired George before to help me set up my studio. He helped me. If you've seen one of my other videos, you know he helped me with my Avalon preamp, which you're listening to right now. And they're just incredibly nice, genuine, super helpful guys. And I had a blast being on their channel. George and Dan, thank you so much for the invitation. I had a blast. I had a blast. Hopefully it shows in the video, because I was sweating by the end. I had so much fun. Anyway, that's what I have for you today. So now go subscribe to VOBS TV so that you can record something amazing. We'll talk to you next time. Thanks.